Hey guys, I'm John of Specialty Electric out here for San Diego, and we're in Coronado, and I want to show you guys this amazing home. We were called out here to maintain their fans, get them clean and make sure they're working. These are old Casablanca fans. They're called the Concentra model, and this house is beautiful. It is so homey. Residents have been here for many years. Absolutely gorgeous. One of the things I like about my job is getting out here. Now this one wasn't fun. I don't know, that's probably 20 something feet up, but we got it nice and clean. And it works perfectly up to this gorgeous area up here, where we have the office and the old Casablanca fan, which still works amazingly well. This bathroom is great. Just beautiful. And you got the fan tucked up there, those windows open, so it disperses the heat nicely, brings nice breeze in. And the master, which is gorgeous, opens up nicely. Just beautiful home. Fans work great. Come see them in San Diego. They'll make a fan out of you, and Specialty Electric will get it done right.